This is one of those Ingmar Bergman moments. Today's episode, how do you do winter? So, I'm drinking tea. This is my third cup of tea today. I have not been very productive. Well, I have been, sort of, but you haven't missed anything. I've been mostly in writing. I am going to do some chores later on, and then in the evening I'm going to go home to Ulf and help him change some carpets. Yes, I'm a carpet changer. Oh, and by the way, I have this Swedish theatre blog. Yes, sorry. Let's start again. So I have this Swedish theatre blog. That's really hard to say. Swedish theatre blog. Swedish theatre blog. Try to say that 3 times. Do that and then send me. Do that. Record yourself saying Swedish theatre blog 3 times. Film yourself and then send the video to me, and I will sort of upload it here. That would be fun, right? Anyway, I have this Swedish theatre blog, and I also have this theatre blog has an account on Instagram. I'm trying to make it grow. It grows really slowly because theatre is sort of a very limited area. So if you like it, you can please join this. But it's mostly Swedish, and I understand if you don't want to, but here's the link. So today I've been reading up on this play at Playhouse Theatre, Pryd. I've been invited to the opening night on Wednesday, so I've been reading up some of it. It's a story about a straight couple. They're not having sex, and I think it must be a comedy. I'm really stoked. This is going to be so fun. I just edited the video and uploaded the video for last week, and I was at the recycling centre last Monday as well. Today I'm not doing plastic, it's glass and cartons. But, well, so there it is. Once a week we go to the recycling centre and recycle centre things. So he just arrived. He's wearing his new... Vad är det fin och ny rock du har? Va? People, these are shoes Ulf gave me, and I switched the sort of white lacing to black lacing. And then I finally got used for these slippers that I bought from H&M online. Aren't they fantastic? But they're supposed to be worn inside. So I'm wearing them inside. Look. This is tasteless. People, I will show you Ulf's apartment. It is fantabulous. Fantastical. Fundabidozy. Look at it. Would you not like to live like this? Now we are going to look at Ulf's wardrobe, where he's just bought this striped sweatshirt yesterday, and he's got quite a few.
No.
Can you put in a fist in there?
I'm not into fisting.
Well, I am. You can actually. You can hide here, but look, all those. Oh, I got the same as he got. My God. This is going to happen. This rug is going into the basement, and we're going to bring up another one. I'm just going to show you my shoes again. Walking on the rug. Ulf is going to vacuum before it goes into storage. This is one of those Ingmar Bergman moments. So this is the living room without a carpet and without the carpet on the wall. God. But there's a strange man dancing. I give you an enormous cellar quite crammed. And have you met his mother? She's in this box. Ladies and gentlemen, the new carpet. Donde está la nuova carpeta? As they would say in Italy. Say something Italian, Ulf.
Ciao. Come stai? Fanculo.
Carpe diem.
Cazzo.
Cazzo. Espresso. Ecce homo.
Det är latin.
Ja. Done. So here we are, looking like Sergels Torg. This is a pleased man. This man is pleased.
Maybe we should pull it a little bit more towards here.
Towards you?
Yeah.
Okay. Floor done. Now something red.
It's not coming up.
It's not coming. Oh, so something black.
Yeah.
Lovely. Do a little dance.
No. Don't dance.
We are looking at sort of.
And the little girl whose body seems impervious to deadly snake venom.
Ulf is going to drive me home, and I'm going to get some shelves for my fridge, right?
Yes.
And hello. So I don't know if any of you remember, but my fridge used to have like 3 shelves and they were crammed. Now Ulf gave me, well actually he gave me a lot of other shelves as well. So now I can sort of, I got much more space. It's fantabulous.